Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off vibration for incoming calls on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings screen, scroll down and then in here, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Next, go down and tap on Ringtone. Then we tap on Haptics at the top. After that, you can go down to the bottom and tap on None to turn off vibration. So select None to switch off vibration for incoming calls. If you would like to receive vibration during the incoming call, then you can tap on Synchronize Default. This is the default vibration pattern. Otherwise, you can choose one of the vibration from the standard list. So here we got Accent, Alert, Heartbeat, Quick, Rapid, SOS, and so on. You can even create your own custom vibration. And that's it. That is how you can turn on or turn off vibration for the incoming calls on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.